Hi, I'm Darren from Engage Web. We're a digital marketing agency based in the UK and we help clients throughout the world with their social media strategies. But today I want to talk to you about our Social Media Experts Essential Toolkit that we're giving away completely free. Now, our toolkit consists of 3 separate files. First of all, you get our Social Media Days calendar. Now, this is a calendar that gives you every day of the year and tells you what social media events are happening on those days. Some days have just a few social media events and some days have many indeed. So you can actually plan your social media in advance with our calendar, and it'll even show you how you can relate those days to your business. Now, secondly, we have a bonus Social Media Days floating calendar, because not every social media day happens on the same day every year. So we created a separate calendar just to make sure you don't miss any of those days that move. And finally, we have our Social Media Strategy Shaper. Now, this is a great little tool because you put in your start date on this Social Media Strategy Shaper and it gives you 365 days worth of social media prompts on what to post and when to post it. It essentially plans out everything you need to do in advance. That's the Social Media Content Calendar, the Floating Days Social Media Content Calendar, and the Social Media Strategy Shaper, all completely free. All you have to do is download it and use it. And if you wouldn't mind, we'd love to know what you think about it, if you could give us some feedback as well. That's Darren from Engage Web. Thank you.